was so overwhelmed by this journey. Who would have thought that because of my job, I would get to experience all of this? These are just a few shots I took when we were in Araceli Island, and I don't have any regrets about accepting their assignment to this remote area. It has allowed me to visit places I had never been to. Even though they are far away and sometimes challenging to reach, the journey has been worth every moment. We had the chance to swim in the breathtaking beaches of the island, where the water sparkled under the sun and the soft sand felt like paradise beneath our feet.
Isla? Langoy. Kung bakit siya langoy?
Init, Michael, nag-ihi ka.
Kung bakit siya langoy, hindi ko alam kung ang tawag. Pero ito na guys, mag-swimming na po ako ngayon. Mag-swimming na po ako ngayon. 1, 2, 3. Ang bilis, ang mamadali yan. Ayan po sa likod namin, may pating po kasi yan po talaga itong purpose namin.
Huwag ka maingay.
Gigigyo. Wala, di yan narinig, wala naman yung Bluetooth.
Go, go. Uy, gagi, meron yan.
Meron
yan.
1, 2, 3 guys, welcome to my vlog. Parang tanga din yung nag-ano, nalunod din eh.
Sige daw, isa pa. Wait lang.
Dapat daw sa palalim.
Tuloy-tuloy. Nahirap ako lubog.
Tapos yung langoy ninyo pag ganitong side.
Mami, magpunta ako dyan, Mami. Sige.
Hindi.
Go.
Siya.
Wait lang.
Huwag na siya ngayon magapunta eh. Magasisid nga siya.
Ano, susunog ako, masunog ka.
Hirap na gaganon kasi. Go.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. Ayan po yung mga kasama kong medyo serena. Hindi naman po sila masyadong kagandahan, pero nag-feeling po sila.
Ako daw magano hawak.
Ito po yung tinatawag na isla langoy. Kung ang itim-itim po namin,
Dali nga.
guys, ang itim po namin, ito po yung pinakamayaman sa Araceli. Tapos wala po siyang pabili ng GoPro, pero ang yaman-yaman niya po. Yan na po, sige po.
May GoPro kami.
O di ba po, ang yaman niya po talaga. Sige po, ngayon po lulusong na po ako sa dagat. Sige po. Ang pangit mag-vlog eh. Hi guys, nandito nga tayo ngayon. Look, tingnan nyo naman guys yung nasa likod namin. Pinakamagandang isla sa buong Pilipinas. Sa buong Palawan. Isla po ng Agutaya.
Lo, wrong send.
Kuyo po pala, kuyo.
La, Kuya Araceli to.
Ay, Araceli pa ba?
Kuya Araceli to.
So marami po sili.
Arangan eh.
Ay, wala pa sili. Guys, alam mo ba, fun fact guys, wala talagang sili dito. So, lang. Kasi tamad sila
Mamaya Mamaya, ipalunok ko sa'yo yung sili. Labuyo
Oh,
pa.
ito na.
Hello, tignan niyo yung braso.
Dayan po kasama yung ugali ng mga taga-Araceli po.
Ano, sabi mo? Ano ang
Papakain daw sa akin yung sili, wala naman silang sili guys. Diba, naisip nyo ba yun?
Mamaya, guys.
Nangagat pa po yung mga taga-Araceli. Oh my god.
At least labi yung kinakagat, di ba?
Grabe guys, na-experience ko na guys, grabe mga agat.
Sinong nakakagat sa'yo? Sabihin mo, drop name.
Gago?
Drop name.
Drop name.
Name drop.
Ayun pala yung parola. Go.
After spending a few wonderful days on the mainland of Araceli, we set off for Dalaganen Island. The journey there was a bit nerve-wracking since we were navigating open sea. The waves crashed fiercely against the boat, and at times we were almost drenched from the spray. Despite the slight fear of the open sea, there was an exhilarating thrill that made the ride feel alive and adventurous. Every day brought a mesmerizing sunset that painted the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. It was a sight that never got old, but what truly took my breath away was witnessing the sunrise from the mountain of the Dalaganen.
Ala, yun na yung araw! Guys, ayun na yung araw! Dali! Napakapiling!
Standing there with the first light breaking over the horizon, I felt a profound sense of peace and connection to nature. It was a moment I wish could last forever, filled with the promise of a new day and all of its possibilities.
So, nandito kami sa... Ano lang ang bundok to? Dalaganen Mount. Ano na? Nawala yung charger ko. Hindi lang. Saan na kaya yung charger? Ben, di pa lang kayo natatapos dyan? Oh boy! Oh my God! Sa wakas, lalaki ka na! Ano na ngayon?
1 terabyte.
Putik, magkano kaya 1 tera? Ayan, may nakakot telephone. GoPro na lang gamit.
May charger naman ako.
Yan si Ma'am Nurse sa DAs. Ay, DAs. DAs. DAs naman yun. Nurse, nakasama namin. Oh, si Michael na pilayan.
Shit, ang ganda. Nakita na siya. Naka-wide kasi. Memories bring back you.
The fresh, cool air at the top was invigorating, and we found ourselves compelled to climb the mountain again for a second time.
Paano yung hilig?
Each ascent was not just about reaching the top, but also about the camaraderie we shared, the laughter echoing as we push each other to go a little further, and the stunning views that unfolded before us with each step.
Very much! Dalaganen! Thank you for this wonderful view. I'm so much grateful. May tabi dyan. Alis naman. Naabot natin ito.
Feeling.
Ay, bababa na kami. Bababa na kami. Daming kalat oh. Mga tao dito, may mga ilang tao na responsible sila sa pagiging nila. So, maraming kalat, maraming balat na chichirya, maraming soda bottle, maraming mineral water bottle, and everything. They should be more responsible. Diba? Kasi look at that view.
After conquering the mountain, we headed to Isla Puting Bato for another chance to swim and enjoy the sun. The joy we experienced during our time there was beyond words. We spent our days filled with laughter, exploring and simply soaking in the beauty around us. Every moment felt precious, and I cherished the connections we formed with each other and with nature. As I reflect on this journey, I realize how much it has enriched my life. I can't wait for our next adventure and the next sunrise in Araceli. It is a place that has left a mark on my heart, and I look forward to returning and creating even more beautiful memories. Thank you, Araceli. Till we meet again.